Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, December 4th, and this is my analysis of the SPX500 or the S&P 500, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So we've had a big push up last month, as you can see. I think it's pretty clear, especially on the weekly, that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it probably is going to go up, at least take out those highs before we potentially get a bigger move to the downside, because I'm still looking at this 3188 area as a potential area where this could end up before it really does end up continuing the uptrend. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame is where you can very clearly see this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and we most likely are in a wave 5 right now. I don't see any reason to think the wave 5 is over. The wave 5 should be at least 100% around the size of wave 1, projected out the bottom of wave 4, which would get us all the way up into this area. And I think there's a good chance it will take out this high, which will probably put us up into the 138 to 123 area. Probably end up looking something like this to finish off the wave 5. So let's head down to the daily time frame. Been a very strong uptrend, as you can see. It definitely does have a little bit of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 look to it. So if it does break structure to the downside, then I would definitely say that that is the end of a trend. But it could possibly still be a crescent and still be like a 1 of 5, a 2 of 5, and then continue up later on for a 3 of 5. But until we actually get that break of structure, there's no guarantee it's even going to do that. I think it's actually more likely it's going to continue to make higher highs and higher lows and just keep on trending up. So taking it down to that 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, this line right here represents the last significant structure level for me. A break of structure to the downside of this will at least tell me that this last trend is over. Like I said, I still think it would probably make a crescent, but it would still be a pretty good size move to the downside. But like I said, I think it's very likely, especially because we're not even bouncing off a fib level, that it's going to make another higher low and at least continue up again. So definitely still looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last series of higher highs, higher lows from here to here. We are making a 61% bounce. I don't really see any engulfing impulsive move to the upside yet, but if it does make that engulfing move to the upside, maybe take out the structure of the last wick or the last candle, then I would definitely take that as possibly the end of an ABC crescent. I still don't see any reason at all to think on the higher time frames that uptrend is over. I would expect it would at least go up to that 78% fib level that I was showing on the 4 hour time frame, which tells me that it probably is going to make a higher low. It's probably not going to take out the 100%, and it probably is going to make at least another push to the upside, which for us should give us a pretty good reliable entry to go long when it does turn to the upside. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.